Hey everybody, my name is Jennifer from J Stern Designs, and today I want to share an exciting experience with you. My friend Debbi Gray from Cool Stitches has some really fun subscription boxes, and these boxes are themed. So she has a Love to Sew box, which features a pattern and everything you need to make whatever the pattern is inside the box. She also has a box that's dedicated to totes, bags, and organizers, which is very cool. And then finally, she has a J Stern Designs box, which was a 6-month adventure including 3 patterns, 3 pattern hacks, and video tutorials to go along with it. So I've been having fun on the back end of this little project with Debbi because I've been designing patterns and making videos for my box, but I never really experienced what it was like for a sewer to get their box in the mail, open it up, and see what was inside. So Debbi actually sent me one of the boxes. And this is not the J Stern Design box. This is one of the other boxes. I have no idea what's in the box, so I thought I would show you, what it's like to get a Cool Stitches subscription box in the mail, open it up, and find the goodies inside. Before I open up the box and show you what's inside, you might want to watch to the end of this video because Debbi gave me a special coupon code to share with you if you'd like to try one of her subscription boxes. All right, so let's see what's inside the box. All right, so it has some lovely, it's wrapped in tissue paper, and look, there's candy. That's a nice touch. All right, let's look and see what we have here. All right, so there's a letter. This was the October 2020 Bags, Totes, and Organizer project. Let's see what she says. We are well into the fall and fast approaching the holiday season. Aren't you excited? I am. In case you have lots of reasons to be out and about, I thought the next project would come in handy, and it's super cute too. This month's feature designer is Emmeline Bags. I appreciate the attention to detail and the colorful inspiration of these projects. We selected the road trip wallet because it's so dang cute and perfect for carrying your essentials for all your holiday shopping trips as well. We selected the larger wallet and included what you need to complete the option with the decorative strap, but you have what you need for any of the options. Isn't that cool? You open the box, everything you need is in the box. This is very exciting. Your gift is a double cap stud tool, the perfect way to embellish this and any future projects. Emmeline Bags is a popular designer, and choosing one design for this month was quite a task. The instructions and online support is great. I look forward to seeing your completed road trip wallets and hearing back on what you think about this box. Here's your VP discount code, good through November 30th, on any overstock sewing boxes we may have left from all those we've issued. The best prices are always as a subscription, and as a subscriber, you have 35% off an increased discount on overstock. Keep checking as we add inventory because these boxes go pretty quickly. They make ideal gifts for your sewing friends, and codes change every month. You'll find them here because you're one of my VIPs. Isn't that exciting? So as a subscriber, you get added perks in addition to what's in the box. So let's see what's in the box. Oh, little thank you sticker. That's always a nice touch. Maybe I should get some thank you stickers. Oh, look at this. Okay, so there's a thank you. Check out our referral program. Your personalized code is in your subscription profile. Okay, and then there's a variety of fabrics that I'm guessing you're going to use to create the wallet. Let's see what the wallet looks like. Wow, that is a cool thing. It's got 2 sizes, 3 closure options, 10 or 16 credit card slots, 1 ID pocket, and 3 zippered pockets. That's a really cool design. I think I need to make this. Maybe this could be a Fab Fit Friday where I show you guys my process of making this. This is very cool. So everything you need to make this is in here. Let's see what Debbie added. Let's see, what is this? This is, oh, I think this is the plastic probably to cover your ID pocket. I'm guessing that's what that is. Oh, here's the gift for this box. This is a cool thing, a rivet tool. This can come in handy. I'm a big jean maker. I don't know if you knew that, but you could use this to add rivets to things. That's very cool. Oh, and guess what? There's some rivets in this bag. So you actually get the thing to put the rivets in, and some rivets, some snaps, some other hardware, thread that matches your fabric, and I believe you also get a needle. You get everything you need. There's 3 zippers. Oh, all right. So this is a little nativity kits, 25% off. That's a really fun project to do with your little ones, I think, because you can paint them. That's nice. Okay, and then Scrap Buster fabric postcard. So there's actually a bonus project in here you can use to make these postcards from your scraps. That is very cool. Wow, just opening this box makes me want to make this wallet. I think I'm going to. So there's fabrics, there's some felt in here, zippers, everything you need, plus a little candy. So I don't know about you, but I am super excited about this bags, totes, and organizers subscription box, and I really think you may see me sewing up this wallet during an upcoming FabFit Friday. If you love this idea and you're excited to try one of Debbie's subscription boxes, I have exciting news for you. She is giving a discount for first-time subscribers for their first box, and the subscription code is JSD30. So that means you're going to get 30% off your first subscription box. So I will put that discount coupon code in the description below. So definitely check out Debbie's subscription boxes and you can save 30% on your first one. I think that's super exciting. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing of a Cool Stitches subscription box. And this particular one was bags, totes, and organizers. I will see you again very soon. So there's that. That is very cool. Oh. I'm going to see what flavor the candy is. It's caramel. My favorite. All right, this box just gets 2 more points.